Starting watercolors, watch this first. And you need some sketching tips before set up your painting, right? So always keep it in your mind. You use a light pencil for sketching because HB or 2H to sketch the shapes softly. Always avoid heavy lines and you have to hold the pencil lightly. It should be holded gently and draw the lines. Optionally, erase slightly before painting. And always think of sketching as a map, not the final product. Just place your main shapes to guide the brush. For example, sketch a simple leaf, a flower, fruit shape. Before you dip your brush into water and paint, here are 5 things you need to know to make your watercolor journey smoother and way more fun. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple but powerful tips that every beginner should keep in mind. Whether you are just testing the waters or ready to paint your first masterpiece. What's inside? The right materials to get started without spending too much. How to control water plus paint balance. Sketching tips to set up your painting. Why drying time matters more than you think. A reminder that it's okay to mess up. Watercolor is all about the process. So grab your supplies and let's paint together. Control water plus paint balance. When you go for water painting, it's very important to know how you control the water plus paint, because when you need lighter wash in watercolor, you have to add more water, and when you need bolder color, you may need more paint. So that how you can create is dip brush in water, then touch on a towel to control water amount. Add a little paint and test on a paper before applying to your artwork. And first you can just try like a full water, a little tiny paint, you will get transparent wash, and medium water plus paint you will get mid-tone. Almost no water and heavy paint, rich and textured color. So these are the things you should know, how you can control water plus paint balance. And why drying time matters more than you think in water sketches. Always you should let each layer dry completely before adding details or new colors. This prevents muddy colors and accidental bleeding of the colors. You can use hair dryer on low if you are impatient, and you should not hold it just too close to that. And for example, while paper is wet, try dropping in yellow and it blends. Wait until dry, then paint yellow lines on the top, so you will get crisp details. It's okay to mess up watercolor. It's all about the process, right? Accept that watercolor has a mind of its own. Mistakes is always learning moments, right? Sometimes the best effects happen by accident, and don't be afraid to experiment and play. Show a happy accident like colors blending unexpectedly and how it turned into something beautiful or unique. And you may think, I wasn't planning this blend, but look how soft and dreamy it turned out. And that's a wrap on always give a try before starting watercolor. I really hope this helped take away some of the tips and made you feel more confident to just start. Okay, you don't need years of experience. You just need curiosity, patience and willingness to explore. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. There's a lot more beginner friendly watercolor content coming your way. I would love to hear from you in the comments. what's something you are excited to paint, or was there a tip today that really clicked for you? And if you try something using these tips, feel free to share with me in the comment section. And thank you so much for spending this time with me, and keep painting, keep exploring. The most importantly, have fun with it. So when you give a try, you will enjoy it. And also, watercolor is such a beautiful medium because it teaches a lot more. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative.